This is the Meerkat here with FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade. Hey, here's the trade that we had in the Grok Star trading room this morning. It was on UGAZ, UGAS. That is the 3X bullish ETF on natural gas. And so here we go. It was falling in pre-market here. It was in a bear flag. It started to, and just before opening it dropped and was forming what we call a low base. If you want to know more about what a low base is, just go to our site, FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com. Go right here to the free chart school, hit chart school, and we're going to call what's called a low base. This is a bearish formation, so it's over here. There it is, low base, tag that. And here's a picture of it where it runs down. It's running on a line of support, and if it drops below that, the odds are in our favor. We want to get short the stock. You can read about it here. Here's some examples from real live charts. These are daily charts, where this one's setting up right now. This one's set up, and look at that, bam, bam, bam. Again, if you're short, you're making money when it's falling down. And then here it is short, and then bam, bam, bam. So now we're going to look at a daily chart, and these are 1 minute candles, but it's doing the same setup. It's going low base here. So if it breaks down and below this area here, I'm going to want to go short. So let's see what happened next here. Bam, bam, there it goes. And it fell down all the way to here. Now, this was in a restricted mode where you could only short it on the uptick, so that's why I got in here at $15.60. It upticked me into short on UGAZ. And we're going to set a stop here. I'm going to use this as my stop because I have to buy it back. I'm going to set it right at 75, which is a 1% stop. Always set at least a 1% stop or less in our trading in the Grok Star room. And there it goes, falling down here. And what's happening now? It fell down, but now it's forming what we call a symmetrical triangle, and that's very neutral. So it was sitting here a long time, so I went ahead and I took out half right here at $15.40 for 1.2% on the first half. And let's see what happened after that. Well, I bring in my stop down here in the money, just above the 1550, and oh, look at that, bam, bam. You're gonna have to move this up here. There we go. And let's see what happens after that. And slow basing again. No, just look at it trickle down. Bam, 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 bam. Ooh, down to 1470 here. Pretty cool. Now, this whole time I'm bringing my stop down here, following this 20 moving average as we move down here, keeping it just above that area. So now I'm just below $15, but right at the 20 moving average. So I got a shield of my 8 EMA, another shield of the 20 moving average, and let's see what happened after that. And it came up here and up, stopped me out right there as I followed it down, got me out at $14.92 for 4.2% on the second half. So let's take a look at this whole trade here for just a moment, and we take a look at it was in a descending triangle or a low base. Bam, fell in, it got short, and then when it stalled here, and I went ahead and I took out half, locked in a little bit of profit, and then I let my winner run. And look at that, bam, 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 stopping out. So this total trade was for 3.2% in 52 minutes. Hoo-ah. Well, this was just one of 7 trades that we made in the Grok Star room this morning. In fact, we're starting to use a trade log that we're keeping open each day. You can see here all my trades, whether I went long or short, what my entries were, if I got out half, and then this is the first trade of the day that on here, and you can see what my percentages were. And then for the day, we were at 6 of 7 trades for 85.6% success rate. Our target's 60, so it was very good success rate today. And our net for the day, we have a 10% target. We were at 10.1%. Now that's 10.1% of risk. So in our model portfolio, at $10,000 per trade and a 1% stop, and we're risking 100 bucks. That would be, we made about $1,000 today in 2.5 hours. Not bad work if you can get it. And you can join us 30 days for free. Hey, just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. And right up here, you can go to the Grokstar chat room. There's our page. And you can read all about what we do to prepare. And then I'm calling out trades throughout the morning and telling you exactly where I'm at, where I enter, where my stops are, and where I exit. And oh, there's that ugly guy there trading right now. Has some nice things people said about me. So if you'd like to join us, 30 days for free, folks. 30 days for free. After that, it's about the price of one commission a day. So join us now. Hit that button and come to the Grok Star room. We'd love to have you each and every morning. This is Mark the Meerkat in Florida. Just remember that it's much better to be not in a trade wishing you were in than being in a trade wishing you were out. Trade well.